Hi, this is John from Tech Uni, and in this video, I'll walk you through the Amazon Seller Central account dashboard, and I will show you what are the biggest things you need to looking for on a daily basis and weekly basis. And to navigate all the different tabs and options that Amazon gives you in order to launch, maintain, and track everything within your Amazon Seller Central account. So let's get started. So I have logged into my Amazon Seller Central account. And this is where you're gonna see all of the different things that you're gonna do in Amazon Seller Central. You can really customize your dashboard to be able to see what's the most important metrics that you want to see. And there are third-party extensions that you want to install to make it look a little bit different. In this video, I have disabled all of my extensions just to make it really simple for you guys. So starting here with the catalog, this is where you can add new products from, and this is where you can see if you have any selling application. Or if you wanna get approved in one of the categories, you can go ahead and click over here. You can also add a new product into your inventory from your inventory tab. So there are a couple of different things to do the same thing. But the inventory tab is super important, because if you go here and click on the manage inventory, it's going to list for you everything that you have available or have had available within your Amazon Seller Central account. If you want to see items that are available only at FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, you can then click over here in order to see that, and then all of the rest of these items and options that you can go through. You can look into your inventory planning to better forecast your inventory, to know how many units you're going to be shipping to Amazon. In order to ensure you are in stock there, inventory report can also help you with that. Inventory reports can also help you. It will take you to another page where you can see all the different shippings if you have sent it to Amazon. And this is where you're gonna go to create new shipments in order to make sure that Amazon has received everything that you have sent them, and then of course upload images and manage product documents. So in the interest of time, I'm not gonna go through every single of one of them, but I'll show you what are the things that you need to be checking on daily basis or weekly basis to ensure that you are up to date with everything on Amazon as a small business. Then here we have the pricing tab where you can manage your pricing, and from here you can also set the automate pricing. You can also update your pricing from the manage inventory tab too. Then over here is your order tab. You definitely need to know how to manage your orders, whether you are shipping on your own, that's doing FBM, or whether you're doing FBA, that's fulfillment by Amazon. And if you want to see the seller fulfilled orders, the Amazon fulfilled orders, that is FBA, you need to click this little tab over here. Then advertising, of course, is very important. And this is where you're gonna see all your campaign setup, and this is where you're gonna manage all your advertisements and see all your metrics. So all your advertisement stuff is over here. Here you can also see the A+ content, which is really helpful, and it's important once you are registered with brand registry. Then we have deals and coupons, discounts and promotions. So if you want to promote your products, you're gonna go to one of these, and then Amazon will walk you through how to create a coupon and how to set up promotions, and basically anything you need to be successful there. Now the store tab over here is super important. If you are brand registered and if you have a storefront, or if you want to make a storefront, over here you can create your branded storefront. You can create a little web page over here on Amazon, and you can also maintain your store from here. Now if you look at stores, and I love this tab because it gives you options, and it gives you growth opportunities, and it gives you opportunity for the programs that you want to explore. And this is pretty new with Amazon. It will actually suggest products for you that you need to sell on Amazon if you want to. So make sure you check the growth opportunity, the growth tab. This will help you grow your business on Amazon. Now reports. Reports is one of the most important tab. In reports, you're going to find your payments, all the payments that you're gonna get from the Amazon. Explore the payment tab. There is a ton of good information over here. Any sort of financial documentation information, invoicing and other stuff. It's going to be on the payment tab right there. Then we have Amazon Selling Coach. Business report is super important. This will give you a nice overview of what happened today, and what happened a month ago, and what happened a year ago. You can also create a report by date. So there is a lot of different ways through which you can pull the information from Amazon with the business report. Then returns are really important because you need to know why the customers, your clients, are returning your products. So the returns are really very crucial, and I'll make a separate video on it. Then you can go to Amazon Fulfillment Reports. This will give you all the information you need to know about your inventory. This will give you information about your sales, your payments, your customer issues, approvals, global logistics. So this particular tab is super important as well. Alright, so then the performance tab. So the performance is crucial, and it's very important tab. So in Amazon, as an Amazon seller, You need to be you need to maintain your account in good standard order, in good health. Here you want to make sure that your Amazon account is 100% healthy. You don't want to have any negative feedbacks and A to Z guarantee claims, of course. And then you need to make sure your products are compliant, and you need to make sure your products don't have any policy violations. And it's pretty common when you are a reseller, and if you have your own brand, then you will not get any sort of issues. So this is something you really need to know and understand. So these are the metrics that if you dip below a certain percentage, then Amazon can potentially shut down your account. For example, your late shipments must be under 4%, or Amazon can potentially shut your Amazon account because they take care of their customers. So you need to be shipping things on time. So here I recommend you using FBA because they will do that for you. Then you can't be canceling orders without a apparent reason. So you don't need to sell anything that you don't actually have in your store. So you need to check this page, this option on a daily basis in order to make sure that your Amazon account is in good standing. If you have any violations, you're gonna get trouble from Amazon because it doesn't take much for them to suspend or deactivate your account. Alright, then the partner network. There are a whole bunch of different apps that you are looking for that will help you something on Amazon. There are services and apps that Amazon kind of created that can help you a lot in your business. So for these options and services, you can go to the Partner Network tab and check out there. And then B2B is such a cool tab. We used to build this a strong marketing message and to show who we are and who we're talking to on Amazon. Then B2B Central is going to give you information about your product being sold to other businesses through Amazon Business. I really love this option because it gives you tons of different information. You can also look through product opportunities, then manage and receive codes. Now this brands tab is super important. If you have brand registry through Amazon, if you have a trademark, and if you have been approved, this particular tab is going to give you all the information there. Here you can see your brand analytics, your brand protection. You can also manage experiments. Here you can also look at your customer reviews and customer engagement. So it's a program that Amazon now has. So through brand tab, you can drive off Amazon traffic to Amazon traffic, and it's super important for business. And the other tab here is Learn. Here you can go to Forms, where you can get the Amazon news. Here you can learn things about selling on Amazon. So overall, I hope this has been helpful. This is just a quick overview of the dashboard for Amazon Seller Central, and I hope this run through has been helpful for you. So if this has been helpful, please hit the subscribe button below in order to make sure you get other informative and helpful videos in the future. So if you want to learn other stuff about Amazon selling, Amazon business, please go to our channel Tech Uni, and there you will find other videos related to Amazon. In our channel Tech Uni, you can find other videos, other important videos like how to list your product on Amazon, how to add your products in your inventory, and what are the criteria that you need to consider while purchasing your items, while selecting and sending your items to Amazon. And there you can also find videos related to the tools that help in finding your winning and successful products. So please check our channel for other videos and subscribe to our channel Tech Uni and like this video. And happy selling on Amazon.